there, friends! It's me, Daisy the cow! Your guide to the utterly fantastic world of cows! Did you know that cows are the queens of multitasking? While we munch on grass, we're also busy turning it into milk. Pretty magical, right? It's like turning grass into ice cream. Speaking of milk, have you ever wondered why it's white? Here's the scoop. It's all thanks to tiny proteins called caseins. They love the color white so much, they make sure milk shines like the moon. Imagine if milk were green instead. Would we still drink it? I bet green milk would taste like broccoli. Yikes! Now, here's a fun fact. Cows have best friends. It's true. We like to hang out with our favorite buddies in the pasture. And guess what? If we're apart for too long, we get moody. Get it? Moody! Oh, and have you heard about cow naps? We might look like we're just standing around, but we love a good snooze. Did you know cows can sleep standing up? It's like magic. But sometimes, when we're really comfy, we plop right down and dream about what else? Grass! Endless, juicy grass! Now, let's talk about cow fashion. See my spots? They're like my fingerprints, totally unique. No two cows have the same pattern. It's like a custom outfit I never take off. Fancy, right? If I ever joined a fashion show, I'd call it Project Mouet. Here's a secret. We're amazing weather predictors. When cows lie down in a field, it usually means rain is coming. So, the next time you see us all lounging, you might want to grab an umbrella. Stay curious, stay creative, and never stop imagining wild and wonderful things. Bye!